World markets close at an 18-month low, and Dubai investments post a 64% net profit boost. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. World equities closed at an 18-month low, with markets dogged by fears high inflation will persist and force central banks to keep tightening monetary policy. U.S. stocks ended a whipsaw session slightly lower as investors juggled fears of nagging inflation with signs it could be peaking. The S&P came within striking distance of confirming a bear market since falling from its all-time high reached in January. In Europe, economic worries were exacerbated by Germany's warning that Russia is now using energy supplies as a weapon. The dollar climbed to a 20-year high as global economic fears boosted its safe haven appeal. Dubai investments posted a 64% surge in Q1 net profit to $55.12 million compared to Q1 2021. Total income for the group also increased 19% to $207.14 million compared to $173.55 million year on year. Officials say the growth in net profit and total income for the period is driven by robust performance across the property and the manufacturing, contracting and services segments. It says the group should benefit from the ongoing economic recovery and growth in the real estate sector. Saudi's insurance sector grew by 8.4% in 2021, with total written premium of $11.2 billion. Official numbers revealed the contribution of the insurance sector to non-oil GDP decreased slightly by 0.01% to reach 1.91%. And the overall loss ratio increased to reach 83.4% in 2021 compared to 76.7% in 2020. The net loss after zakat and tax for the insurance sector reached $12.53 million compared to a net profit of $37 million the year previous. The IEA has lowered its global oil demand estimate by 260,000 barrels per day from its March forecast to average 99.4 million barrels per day for 2022. The agency revised its forecast due to the surge in COVID cases in China, which has left it in lockdown and has reduced energy demand. The IEA also notes lower demand from OECD countries. Still, global oil demand is expected to remain higher than in 2021 by 1.9 million barrels per day. The platform behind the embattled Luna cryptocurrency says it's temporarily halted its blockchain to stop transactions after the token's price plummeted nearly 100% overnight. Terra Labs announced on Twitter that the blockchain's miners would halt the Terra blockchain to prevent governance attacks following severe Luna inflation. The move comes after Terra's Luna token collapsed in value, falling to less than a penny yesterday afternoon, despite trading at about $80 1 week ago. The U.S. and Britain will collaborate on commercial spaceflight missions, boosting opportunities for firms from both countries to operate from spaceports in either country. Britain says the partnership deal will make spaceflight easier and cheaper. It says the new declaration lays the foundation for rockets, high-altitude balloons, and space planes to lift off from spaceports across the UK very soon. The U.S. says the deal will bring the benefits of commercial space travel to its workers, businesses, and communities. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest loser today is Gautam Adani, down $4 billion with net wealth of $108 billion. Our second biggest loser today is Bernard Arnault and family, down $1.9 billion with net wealth of $144.3 billion. And our third place loser is Warren Buffett, down $1.5 billion with net wealth of $111.2 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. The acquisition of the MENA region's Kanawa music by global entertainment and record label Warner Music Group is set to boost Dubai's status as a media industry hub and amplify the reach of Arabic content from a regional to a global fan base. Officials say it will also provide wider international exposure to Arab talent. Since its inception in 2001, Kanawa has grown from its base in Dubai Media City into the largest Arabic music distributor. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.